So there are certainly a lot of options in terms of the content that you're looking to connect to the AV amp. And the thing you need to consider with that is not all AV amps that use HDMI will have 4K compliant HDMI inputs. Also, not every AV amp will have outputs that are all 4K HDMI compliant. So it's important, and it's important to look into that and to understand how many connections how many inputs you're going to connect to, and what those sources are, and how many outputs you're going to connect to it. So whether you're just connecting your screen, your TV, or whether you're connecting your screen and your projector at the same time, and what those, is it a 4K TV and is it a 4K projector? In which case you need 4K outputs on both channels on those outputs. So those are very important things to consider. So don't be swayed just because the fact that it's cheap, that it's going to automatically be able to process the content that you're putting into it. It's always a good idea to check that.